Welcome back to Nothing Beats Mum's Cooking. Today, we're making a comforting trio: spiced carrot rice, tender pork stew, and buttered broccoli, a full plate that's packed with flavour and love. Start with our fragrant carrot rice. Sauté chopped onions until golden, then stir in grated carrots, cinnamon, cloves, and cumin for a bold aromatic base. Add rinsed long-grain rice and mix everything together. Pour in water, season with salt or stock cubes, and simmer until fluffy and perfect. While the rice cooks, boil fresh broccoli florets until just tender. Drain and toss with a touch of butter for a vibrant, nourishing side. For the stew, brown pork cubes in oil to lock in flavour. Set aside, then sauté onions and build your broth with stock cubes, paprika, thyme, and pepper. Add the pork back in and let it simmer slowly for about an hour until it's tender, rich, and perfectly seasoned. Now for the best part: plate it up. Carrot rice on one side, a generous scoop of pork stew, and buttered broccoli to round it off. This is what home tastes like: warm, bold, nourishing food made with simple ingredients and lots of heart. If you love this meal idea, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more wholesome recipes right here on Nothing Beats Mum's Cooking, where AI meets Mum's magic.